Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd kickstart, I don't know, Halloween season with a nice simple sculpt of a tentacle candlestick. I took a large piece of 10 gauge wire and twisted it around itself just so that I can support the tentacle at the top later on. To cover the bulk of my tentacle, I stick my super sculpey through my pasta machine on its second thickest setting. This way I can sort of, I sort of Frankenstein it as I'm going along. I cut bits to the right shape and then stick them down. To get this sort of wrinkly skin texture, I just rolled out small snakes of clay, placed them onto the main sculpture and blended them in, and then went over with my pin tool to just sort of create a skin texture. I made this little lady whilst I was waiting for the tentacle to cool down after baking. I thought she was quite cute, so I thought I'd share her with you. I wanted to keep the paint quite simple for this one. I thought perhaps adding too much would be too much, so I would try to go with the less is more on this sculpture. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this, then check out one of my playlists. I'm sure you'll find something else in there that you would really enjoy watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. That would be great. And I guess I will see you on the next one, guys. See you later. Bye.